Hey guys, so this is our final project for CS 109.
Causes of death, counties of Illinois.
So, who we are. I'm Roland Nybar, I'm a mechanical engineering major, I'm currently a junior, and I live in Cook County. That's me on the left.
I'm Thomas Papadakos. I'm an industrial engineering major. I'm a junior as well, and I am from DuPage County.
Our data. In a moment I'll show you exactly what our data looks like, but to give you a quick breakdown, our data is a list of different causes of death by county. The data shows the number of each cause of death across the counties of Illinois, and it covers all 103 counties.
We thought it would be most interesting because we would get to see the leading causes of death across Illinois. We also liked it because it was relatable to the majority of us in this class since we are most from Illinois.
So this is that data set I promised you. So this very first column is going to be your resident counties. So here you have listed all the counties of Illinois. Across the top, you're going to see the total deaths followed by each individual cause of death. So now continuing to our program, we have a main function, which is our labeled final project, and in here this is where we call our three other main functions.
Now to begin with the actual program. So first we begin with typing the name of our program along with the file name. And what we get is a menu with three operations. So to begin with the first one, we choose plot top 10 counties with most total deaths. This gives us a bar graph with the top 10 counties in relation to deaths from greatest to least. On the y-axis we have the number of deaths in intervals of 5,000, and along the x-axis are the county names. You can see that Cook County is just a little bit over 40,000, while the next one is DuPage, which is just over 5,000.
Alright, so showing you the second part of our project, or second function I should say. We again type in the name of our function, type in the name of our file that's going to be run by our function. There we go, we get this menu. So I'm going to choose the second function, find the percentage of causes of death in your county. When you click that, you're going to be prompted, what is your county? For me, for example, I live in Cook County, so I type in Cook. Click OK, and from here, you get a pie chart. This pie chart shows the percentage of causes of death in Cook County. And it's cool because whatever the user is prompted, whatever he enters, is going to pop up right here. So over here on the legend, you're going to see the different types of deaths that occurred in Cook County. So you can see that 26 would correspond to heart disease, 24 would correspond to cancer, 5 would correspond to stroke, etc. So, continue on with our project. For our last and final function of the project, I think, and we also think this is one of the coolest ones, as you'll see in a second. When we run it and we choose the third option of our project, which is compare counties based on causes of death, here you're prompted to enter in the first county, which again we could choose Cook. And then what is the second county? Here we'll choose DuPage. That's where Thomas is from. We click OK. And from here we get a 3D bar graph. Cook County versus DuPage County. On your x-axis is actually going to be a string of all our causes of death. On the y-axis is going to be the number of deaths. Actually, that's a z-axis. So on the z-axis is going to be the number of deaths. And then on the y-axis, it's going to be whatever two counties you typed in. So if you look at Cook, you can see that Cook, with regards to heart disease, is a little over 10,000 deaths per year, whereas DuPage is going to be a little over 1,000. So that pretty much sums up our final project.
We'd like to thank you all for watching, and we wish you good luck on all of your finals.
All right, thanks guys.